Good afternoon, everyone. And today I'm going to present in this video a summary of the Tech Talk video, 100 of Solutions to Reverse Global Warming by Chad Frischmann. In this case, I select this video because it's a topic that is very important for everyone nowadays. I also search about this scientist and he's a specialist of climate change and he has a lot of investigations about global warming and about greenhouse gases. Well, in first place, I want to no, I will inject my opinion with the summary because I think that it's a good topic to be critical and like link this problem to our society and our times. In this case, I will um, join it with my reality because I'm here in Zamorano, and I will say like some solutions that I think it's good for us to improve in our place. So, um, Chad said the first what's going on with us because climate change it's like the feedback of the problem that our planet it is saying uh, what are we doing with our life. In first place, there is an island of garbage here for near from Central America, and we had like so many examples that our planet is saying help, and not only because no, we need to act now, but not only because we need to be safe now. No, what Chad said, was about um, that he was worried about next generation because we are not um, helping us in our life. So why we're going to leave this big problem to next generations? The first solution that he didn't uh, give 100 of solution, but he gave one solution that has like three subtopics, but it's like the root of this change. The solution are the three R's: reuse, reduce, and recycle. First of all, reduce. Um, we can reduce. He said that we can reduce in our houses. In the first place, because is our is the manner that we like live the most part of our life. He said that the light, the water, the garbage, um, those three things are important to reduce. Reduce the consumption of lights. Like if you are not um, If we're not using the lights, just turn off it. In the day, we we don't need to turn on the lights because we have the light of the natural light, the sun. Just open the window or the curtains, just move to a side, and you're going to have natural light, natural light, and it's better than this artificial. In the nights, we need to reduce this. But if we are not, I don't know, charging our computers or our cell phones, just disconnected. He said that a very important topic was the water. Um, because if we don't use well this water, kids, when they are going to be adults, they will have like a war for water, and that will be like the cherry of the cake because water now we we have water the time that we want, but then they are going to buy for a huge quantity of money. Then the garbage, we can reduce it by the next R, that is reuse. We have like a bowl or a recipient that you're going to throw it. Just think like another use that you can give it. He said like reusing it is the best way to save our planet, and is the best way to teach the kids that we have now a problem. But if we act now, we will have like a better future. So reduce, reuse all the garbage that you think, and recycle. It's true. He said that not all of us has like the knowing of recycle, but we can select the garbage, but the real garbage, in some recipients, different recipients, like papers, cans, and plastics. Those three are important, and organic. He said like that the most important is organic because all those garbage you can, well, we can, but other people can use the organic garbage to do compost, to fertilizers, and that's really important for our planet because it's a natural way to improve our agriculture. So those three R's are really important for us. Um, as a critical thinking, I can link it with my country. For example, Peru. Peru had some of the cities of Peru have some problems with garbage. But for example, we have the recipients for recycle, but then the people in charge of collect or recollect all the garbage just joined all, and we lose that recycle. But in this government, um, the environmental ministry, environment ministry, uh, just implement some ways to reduce. For example, um, the bags, plastic bags in Peru. Now you need to pay for plastic bags, and it's like a bit expensive. No, not expensive. It's not cheap. It's not cheap. So people, in order to reduce the the kind of money that they buy, they just uh, bring their own bag, uh, and government like implement that idea. And also, for example, in schools, there they don't sell plastic bottles of water, because, well, that's like a law that it's implemented in some schools. For example, in my school, uh, there were like oases in literally each corner, and it was like a rule that you need to bring your own bottle, but a reuse bottle, like a plastic. And that's really important that the government help to the citizens. And that's all. In all the video, he said about reduce, reuse, and recycle, and that um, and solutions, these three solutions can give us more than 100 of solutions to reverse global warming. Global warming, we need to remember that is the increasing of greenhouse gases emissions, and that is improved by human activity. So if we um, if we let if we had a better change in our activity, the future will be better than now, and next generations will thank us. Well, that's all, and I think it will be like a good video for you, and especially to think about what are we doing with this problem, because this is very huge. Um, that's all. Thank you for watching.